Hey guys, happy Friday, it's the weekend, woo! I am going to make dinner, hopefully fairly quickly, because we have some running around to do. I just got home from the gym, so I'm a little bit of a sweaty mess, I'm sorry. But, yeah, so I'm gonna cook dinner, Fun fact, let me tell you what happened with these things yesterday. Lily was like pulling them out like as far as she could and decided she was going to pull it out far enough and hard enough, because I was holding this side to make sure she didn't pull it out all the way, that it popped back and smacked me right in the mouth. So that was funny, but not fun. It's funny now. It was not funny then. I legit cried because it hurt so bad. And she had me like right here. That was not fun. But anyway, so we're going to cook some dinner. We've got some running around to do today. We figured we'd take you guys along. So yeah, come on with us. So I'm going to make chicken. Baked chicken. And I don't know what else. Probably nothing like too amazing that I'll show you guys. Maybe. I don't know. But chicken for sure. There's the chicken. I just, let's see. Hang on. Let me grab my seasoning here. I just used a little bit of this stuff and a little bit of this. So, yeah, should be delicious. Chicken going in on a Friday. Oh yeah, I got some chicken and some couscous and some corn. So, this couscous, we used to get it with our HelloFresh meals, and it did not look like this. It was more like pasta-y. But I tasted it, it's good. I just threw some adobo and some like garlic in there, so whatever, good enough, right? But chicken! He told Lily to get her shoes on. Cheese! And she put on Sophia's sandals. Dun dun dun! We're back to look at some more stuff for our kitchen. And it's snowing. Yay! So I think these are the two colors we're gonna try. We're gonna like the little sample things. And
they look the same color in the camera.
Yeah, they definitely do. Let's see if you can see a little bit of a difference. But yeah, so we're gonna try those and see how they work out. The thing is, they're doing this just one.
Okay, so one fits.
Yeah. So they're doing this 15% off thing. So everything that you can fit inside the bag is 15% off. So we have our sample paint, one of the mosaic things, and then Angel's gonna put the additional, because we needed like 5 more. We need 15 tiles to accomplish what we want to accomplish. And they like fit perfectly, so that was awesome. Ta-da! Oh, Lily, put that back. No! Yay!
Alright, we gotta get one more thing.
One more?
What?
I need a new circular saw blade. Mine's dull.
Oh my goodness. Let's go. Come on, Goober. Oh, we decided, real quick, we did decide on this one. So, yay. We messed up. We looked at more tile.
I shouldn't have looked.
And he was like, oh, I like that. And it's like half the price of the other thing. So now we don't know what to do.
It's gonna save us probably about 50 bucks.
Probably more than that. It's like half, so.
It's gonna save us 50
I'd
bucks.
say it was like $75.
Well, with this off, it's 50 bucks.
It'd be more than that with the additional
No.
15. Whatever. It would save us a lot more money if we went with the other one. Now I don't know what to do.
But I gotta make a phone call.
Yeah. We like to consult my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law on these things, because she's like really good at putting stuff together and making it look nice. So
Hi.
we thought we had it. We thought. We were so close. And then we were walking by.
We almost made it out.
We almost made it out.
But she had to look.
I didn't look, you looked. Okay, we both looked. Like, okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then, oh, these are so nice. And they're so much cheaper. So yeah, now we're trying to figure it out. I don't know what to do. That was it. Case was settled. We went with the cheaper one, which I actually kind of like better. So There you go. Glad we were looking out. What? Cheese. Where you going, Lil? No, don't touch. Cheese. You're so cute. She's trying to get all comfy. No, we gotta leave our coats on. Gotta leave our coats on.
Okay, now that we left, after how many boxes did we look at?
Like 6.
8 more different options. After she said, "Ooh, look at this one," I was like, "Ooh, maybe because it's cheaper." We did end up going with the cheaper one. You guys will find out after it's all done, because we're not going to show you. That's going to be a surprise.
I think I did show them already.
Did you?
I think I did.
I don't think you did.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I don't think you did.
I don't know. We'll
Whatever.
see. I don't remember. We changed our minds so much that I don't even remember what I showed you guys and what I did.
We changed our minds like 8 times. In total, we saved, what, $85 going with the cheaper box?
Yeah, well, we saved, I think it was like 60. It was like 60 something bucks changing to the cheaper one, and then plus with the additional like sale that they had going on, it was like, what did we just say, like $86 cheaper in total doing that, just by getting the cheaper tile. And honestly, I like that tile better. Personally, I think it looks a little bit better.
My hand's not bouncing. I'm bouncing. I have the camera pressed up against the windshield right now.
Yeah, this road is like super bouncy. It's always been that way. Whatever.
But yeah, it's about $86 that we ended up saving, which is good.
All because I spotted those cheaper tiles.
Yeah. So, we're gonna go put the paint samples on the wall, and when it's all done, you guys will see the walls and the tile when it's all done and dry.
Yeah.
So, right now, we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Yay! If you've never been to Cold Stone, you are missing out.
Yeah, I don't know which one is
so good. All these different kinds of flavors.
Yeah, I like all of them actually.
Yeah, they are delicious. And they have